What do you think this roast is? Look at the color, look at the shine, and look at the texture. Can you tell me what roast is this? Chinese have mastered this meat. They say French do really wonderful job with this meat. But I think the Chinese have mastered cooking this meat. And in India, if you go to Kerala, they do a good job. But the way I am doing, I am mixing couple of recipes and making it so you will just love it. Just because you don't eat what I am cooking, you don't need to skip this. You watch it because you can make the same recipe with chicken. It is going to be super delicious. But this is duck. If you look at the meat, this is totally curry cut Indian style. The duck meat is so delicately cooked. But in India, we cook it in such a way that it is only Indians who can do this recipe this way. Duck has some unique aroma. And a lot of people, what they do is they add certain ingredients to enhance it. One is coconut oil, pepper, curry leaves, fennel. So first I'm going to take some coconut oil, a little bit of fennel, curry leaf. I always love to tear my curry leaves. Tear them. Now in this, we're going to add finely chopped onion. This will give the nice coating to our duck. And another ingredient which I love to add it now is grated coconut. Ground coconut is super in this. But we're going to brown these onions, and when the onions get browned, even the coconut gets browned. That's what will give the very unique taste, the sweetness from the coconut. And I'm going to add a little bit of jaggery too. You're going to see how I'm going to do that. But first, let's cook this till the onions are slightly brown in color. And what we do is we do this mantar jantar and we add a little bit of salt to this so that the onions get nicely sauteed. Look at this nice color. The aroma is beautiful. Add ginger garlic paste, some turmeric. We're going to add the duck. Okay, there's a lot of duck here. Cover with water and bring this to a nice boil. While you're cooking this, just add a coriander powder, chili. Put the lid on and let it cook, as I told you, till the duck is almost 90% cooked. I love the offals, so when the meat is 80% cooked, you can add them. The chili powder, some garam masala, pepper. We're going to let all the moisture go away. Some of the oil will come out and literally the meat will be frying or roasting in the oil. That's when I'm going to add a little bit of soya sauce, that too adjusting the consistency. Do not add too much. And a little bit of jaggery, very little, to enhance the color, the flavor and the taste. Now you can see much of the moisture is going away. This is when oil will keep coming and you will get the shine. So the masala that is getting cooked in the oil that is oozed out from the skin of the duck, that will make it even more tasty. So keep cooking till this dries out. At this point of time, be very careful. Add a little bit of soya sauce, that will darken the color, and jaggery, molasses jaggery. Add little, not too much. Okay, just the way you add in the sambar. In fact, little less. Just add and keep cooking. The whole thing will get nice, shiny, little darker, and this will be, when you eat it with rice, even with appam, dosa, my God, this is going to be just outstanding. I love to add more of curry leaf in this and keep cooking till this completely becomes like a roast. Wow. In the last few minutes, I reduce the flame and you will notice that when I move the meat, the masala is all gone. Where the masala is gone, it is hugging the meat. That is how you have to make this recipe. All the onions have disappeared, everything, but this masala is coating the meat and shining. So switch off the flame. This is ready to serve. Look at this. I say, look at this. So beautiful, shiny, and good God. A little bit of jaggery, a little bit of soy sauce. Wow, look at it. This is what is today's recipe. This is a duck from our farm, year-old, but when you cook it right, the meat is nice and tender. Now, what part is this? No clue. It's just balls. Wow. The most prized meat part of a duck is the breast. And Wow. The aroma, the flavor is absolutely boomba boomba. The beauty is each piece of it is lickable. Don't spare even a small little masala here. Aha. Just wipe out clean. There are many kinds of duck, but this duck has got nice mild flavor, the Peking duck. And dear friends, make it, eat it, and enjoy every bite of it. Look at it. I haven't touched the rice because I want to fully relish this and enjoy the flavors from each of the masalas. Absolutely boomba boomba.